Welcome to Pulse of Cyber Command. This is Terrence, and here is where you command your cyber life. Thank you for all returning viewers and new viewers. Please like and subscribe the video. It really helps me out a lot. But today we're going to be actually talking about something a little bit different, something that you guys may like, and that is breaking into cybersecurity. Now, what I'm going to talk about today is how you can leverage your environment, leverage your skills in order to do that. So let's get right into it. Okay, so number one, LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn is my place for not just networking with folks, but also resources and insights. You'll always see people posting certain resources if you're connected with cybersecurity professionals, which you should already be doing if you're trying to break into cyber, is asking questions and talking to people. I see posts that could help me upskill, free resource training. People are always posting these things to help you out. So it would behoove you to actually save those posts for future dates whenever you want to upskill or learn a new course. Number two is your location region. So what you want to do is look in your area for any capture the flag challenges, cybersecurity clubs. Maybe if you're going to school, you can leverage your program. So make sure that you check in your location in your area to find if there are any conferences or meetups where you can talk to people who are in and also with people who are breaking into cyber like you. That brings me into number three. That is volunteering. Now you can volunteer for maybe your local church or a local foundation and say, hey, how about I secure your infrastructure? How about I secure your small office, home office devices? Now, number four, one of my favorites is Discord servers. I have so many communities through Discord that have just a slew of information that I use all the time. And you're able to ask questions to people. You may not get an answer right away, but there's always someone who is willing to take the time out to say, hey, check this link. Hey, go to this place. Hey, do this. And it will be very beneficial to you. I guarantee that. Definitely look into Discord server groups. We have one as well. Pulse of Cyber Command. I will leave a link down in the description if you do want to join my Discord channel. We are very active in CTFs. We are very active in chats almost every day. We're always supporting each other. And that's very important, is to have that camaraderie with other people who are trying to do the same as you. And number five, something that I haven't really done in the past and I may do in the future for sure, is using your current company. Now, your current company, you may be working, in a warehouse, you may be working in as an assistant or something of that nature, but definitely use your internal network at your current company to not only just network with folks, but see if there's any open positions and find out if there's anything in particular that they did to get their position. They may tell you, hey, we have an open position. Maybe if you get this certification, or maybe if you get this course or this bachelor's degree or this associate's degree, we can look into getting you into this department. I definitely believe nowadays, especially with the job market, that internal hiring is a lot more feasible than just putting in an application into an ATS and rolling the dice. So definitely use your internal company to do so. Thank you so much for dropping by. Keep your finger on the pulse of cyber and have a good one.